Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to get top and bottom rows from a table together with single SQL statement. So first of all I will show my table. This is my table test cricket underscore new. It contains top 10 batsmen who scored highest test runs starting from Sachin Tendulkar 15,921 and 10th batsman is 11,174 Alan Border. So I want to get the top and bottom rows, that is first row and 10th row simultaneously by single SQL statement. So I will show how to do this in this step. First I am writing select start from table name where ID ID in ID in subquery we need to mention min, min ID and max ID. Select top 1 min ID from this table from top min ID from this table union all. I am concatenating with union all operator union all and I am writing the same query with the max ID. Same query with max ID and close the bracket. So if you execute this query, you will get the top 1 min ID means here this one ID 1, that is top ID. Top 1 max ID means this one. So I am executing this. See here Sachin Tendulkar and Alan Border. So from the table first one is Sachin Tendulkar and last one is Alan Border. By this method you can get the both top and bottom rows simultaneously with single statement. Now I am using the second using statement. For that also you need to get the same result. Same where ID in so in the subquery we need to write select top 1 ID order by. I am using here order by ID. By default order by will take ascending order. So I am closing the subquery and immediately I am making the R statement. R ID in and I am using the same select top 1 with the order by class. Top 1 with the order by. Now here I am mentioning order by as descending and close the parenthesis. So if you execute this one, you will get I am making first table and I am making running this query, second query. See here Sachin Tendulkar and Alan Border again in different way. Earlier we used the union all. Now in this case we use the order class. See here earlier select start from the table where ID in select top 1 min ID. Min ID means it's the first rank. Max ID is the last rank. That is the bottom row and top row here. And I am concatenating both these self statements with union all. So all this query top one min and top 1 max I am put it in the subquery and finally I run the self statement to get the result. So here in this case so where ID in top 1 ID top 1 top one ID from from the table order by ID. Order by ID means here ascending order. By default, it will take ascending. Or ID in I am using this again subquery ID in select top one ID from descending order. So if you mention the instead of order by ID, if you mention DESC, you will get the same result again. Allen border only we will get the result. That's why it doesn't display. You need to mention the order by as by default as ascending, and in second query with R you need to mention order by with DESC. So if you run this one, both you will get the first and last rows here. What will happen if you mention the A and D here? If you mention the A and D here, it won't display anything. So we need to mention R to write the subquery again ID in with self statement order by with the descending class. This is the second method. Now I am writing this third way to get the top and bottom rows uh, by the form of CTE. With CTE as this keyword, here you need to mention select top one star from this table from this table and order by ID I am leaving without any making any descending, so that it means it is ascending order. Union all and select second one. Select top one star order by DESC order by ID DESC and finally you need to call the city. Select star from CTE. We already declared one CTE. We need to call that CTE at last. So if you execute this one, sorry, I need to put the place. So here again, Sachin Tendulkar and Alan Border. So you know how to work the CTE with CTE, and as I am writing the two self statements by concatenating the union or. It is similar like the first one. In the first one, before on top of it, we need to just declare the CTE, and finally we can call the CTE with alert statement. So this is the third way to get. Last one, last method to get the both top and bottom rows here is select star. I need to mention a dot star because I am getting two tables with derived names. I am creating now from here to mention select top one star from this table order by ID order by ID. So I am calling this whole table as derived table name as A. That's why I'm putting the A dot star on top. And second one I'm writing by concatenating the union all. So here I am writing the one more query like this. In this time you need to mention B dot star. B dot star and the derived table name we call it B and order by as DESC. DESC. this is how you iterate, and you can execute this query. You will get the same result. So here, what I did here, I am writing I am creating two derived tables. First, I'm writing this select query. This select top one star from order by ID. I'm calling it as a table. Union all select star from top one star from uh, table name order by ID DESC. I'm mentioning as a B table, and on top of it, I'm writing the select a dot star from, that is the from this table, union all select B dot star from this table. So by this way, you can write, you can get simultaneously both top and bottom rows with one single query statement. So I, I am going to paste all these four queries in my description box so that you can check and apply in your table. Hope this video is helps to know how to get at one shot both top and bottom rows of table. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.